A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Children, today we will be learning the new lesson of English, and that is lesson number 4, Marching to Freedom. Children, marching means walking or moving forward in a regular step. Children, you must have understood by looking at the picture given on the screen that this lesson is about our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Right? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi was the most famous leader who fought for our independence. He led many protests against the British to get independence for India. Protest means expression of objection or disagreement. If you are disagree of something, so that is protest. So, he led many protests against the British to get independence for India. One of the most famous protests was the Great Salt March, also known as Dandi March. Now, Dandi March was the protest or objection against high tax collected by the British on salt. So, Gandhiji led the protest against this high tax taken from British on salt. The incident which described in the story took place before Gandhiji leaves for Dandi March or Salt March. This story was written by Subhadra Sen Gupta. It is about a boy who lived with his parents in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram and took care of the goat which provided milk for Gandhiji. Now let's see the characters of the story. The first character is Dhani. Second, Binni, a goat. Then Dhani's mother, Dhani's father, then Binda Chacha, and Mahatma Gandhiji. These are the characters of this story. Children, before moving forward towards the story, let's see the activity given for you in warm-up section. Just see on page number 44. The activity is Gandhiji started his march from Sabarmati ashram and walked all the way up to Dandi. Dandi is name of a small village. So Mahatma Gandhiji started his salt march, which is also known as Dandi march, from Sabarmati ashram, and he finally reached to Dandi by walking only. Okay, so can you trace his path on the map of Gujarat? Children, you can see there is a map of Gujarat given over here. So you have to tell how many villages, towns are there between the 2 points. You must have observed here are 2 points. Starting point was Sabarmati ashram, from where he started his march, and the ending point was Dandi, where he finished his march. Okay, so you have to find out in between these 2 points how many towns or villages are there. Okay, this is your activity. Now let's move towards our student. Look at the first line of page number 45 and be attentive. Okay, listen carefully whatever is being explained. Dhani and his parents lived in Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati ashram. Dhani used to take care of Binni, one of the ashram's goats. Binni was his best friend and he liked talking to her. So Dhani and his parents were living in Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati ashram, which is in Gujarat. Dhani used to take care of Binni. There was a goat named Binni. So Dhani used to take care of Binni and he used to talk with that goat. The ashram had become very noisy and full of activity in the past few days. Dhani knew something exciting was being planned at the ashram. So, as ashram had become very noisy and full of activity in the past few days, means Dhani found that from last few days there was a noise and there was a discussion in the ashram. So he found that something exciting, something new being planned at the ashram. People of ashram were busy in planning something. So he found that one or the other thing was going to happen in the ashram. That morning, as Dhani fed Binni, he said, "Something is going on, Binni." One morning, he was feeding to Binni. Feed means gave food. So he gave food to Binni. He said, "Something is going on, Binni." They all keep discussing something. They are planning something. I know it. Children, you can see in the picture, see, people are here discussing something. So that's why Dhani found that something is going to happen in the ashram. To find out the answer of what was going on in ashram, Dhani went to his mother and asked, "Amma, is Gandhiji going somewhere?" His mother said, "He is going on a march." Children, march means an event or an act in which a large number of people walk through public places to express their support for something or disagreement about something. That is called march. So here Gandhiji was also going on march against the high tax collected by the British on salt. So he was against of that and that's why he was going on march. So here Dhani was asking to his mother, "March, where is he going?" Dhani queried. Queried means asked question. Dhani's mother thought that he was only killing time. Now killing time means doing something without any reason because he had a lot of time and no work. Now Dhani's mother thought that as he didn't have any work, that's why he was doing just time pass. So she said, "Stop asking questions and let me do my work." As Dhani's mother didn't reply him anymore, so he went to the vegetable garden where old Binda was digging up potatoes. Digging means what? Making hole in the soil. And he was taking out potatoes from the soil. Now Dhani was asking to Binda Chacha. Binda Chacha, Dhani sat beside him. "Are you going on the march too?" Binda nodded his head. Binda didn't say anything else, he just nodded his head. Now, nodded means to move head up and down to show yes, you are agree, or to say yes, the head is nodded. So, Binda Chacha just nodded his head. Now, Dhani eagerly means curiously, he asked, "Where are you all going?" Dhani was excited to know everything. Yes. So he asked, "Where are you all going?" Now Binda stopped digging and told him about the march. Gandhiji and some people from the ashram were going to walk through Gujarat to reach the sea at a place called Dandi. Now here Binda Chacha informed Dhani that some people of the ashram and Gandhiji, they all are going to walked through many villages and towns in Gujarat to reach at sea coast of Dandi. They would walk for a whole month. They will take about 1 month to reach over there. Where? To Dandi. Once they reached Dandi, they would make salt. They would go there and they would start making salt there. Now, children, after this, what happens? We will see in the next video. Children, now there is a homework for you. Children, read the lesson carefully, underline the hard words, and write them 2 times in your common rough notebook and learn the meanings given in textbook. Some extra meanings are given over here. Marching. Marching means walking or moving forward in a regular step. March. March is a noun over here. An event in which a large number of people walk to express their support for something or disagreement of something. And the third word is nodded, means moved head up and down. Children, keep reading the lesson. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.